Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Samsung black stainless refrigerator. Just in case you guys want to check it out for yourself, the model number is RF23M8070. For the black stainless, it would be SG on the end. That's what would get you the search results for the black stainless. As you can see from our vignette right here, it gives a really, it's a counter depth fridge. So it's got a nice built-in look, flush with the cabinets. So if you guys want a built-in look fridge without that built-in look price tag, this would be a really great option for you. 3 different options on the water here. You've got water, cubed ice, crushed ice. Obviously ours isn't hooked up, but what's really cool about this is the LED lighting here kind of will light up. On the inside of the fridge, some cool things to look at. So because it is counter depth, the one bad thing about that is it does sacrifice space. So this compared to a standard refrigerator, this is a lot shallower. So you're not going to fit as much stuff. So recommend maybe getting a garage ready fridge or freezer if you do need any additional space. This ice maker right here is going to hold about 2.7 pounds of ice. One thing that I've noticed, I looked at our reviews on our website and I've seen a lot of people talking about the ice maker and all the frost and all that kind of stuff. So something to keep into consideration. I believe that the reviews aren't probably going to be quite accurate. So, I wouldn't necessarily say that this is going to be the best of the best as far as refrigeration goes, but I really just want to talk about the features of it. So one thing right here, we have this auto fill water, and actually you can diffuse your own flavors in there as well. Pop that in the fridge and that will auto dispense this entire thing right here. You've got some really cool sort of compartments down up in here. Usually when the ice maker isn't in the door, this is usually a waste of space, but they've really kind of utilized that quite well. You've got this really nice collapsible shelf here too, so any taller items, you can knock that down and put in any wine bottles or anything like that you need. Water filter is going to pop in right there. Full expansion as far as the drawers go. If we're looking at here, we do have Samsung's Flex Zone drawer, so we can adjust this to all 4 compartments, the entire thing. Really up to you how you want to use that. Gallon size storage bins right there as well, and you can adjust this Flex Zone by holding on the control for about 3 seconds. Then you can adjust it, whatever it is that you want to turn off. I know myself, I'd want to turn off the door alarm for one. You can change meat, beverage, deli, wine, all that kind of stuff. And then the freezer down below, not much to talk about. Because it is counter depth, as you can see, not a lot of space in here. And this shelf is kind of shallow as well. But overall, very good looking fridge. I love the black stainless. It is fingerprint resistant as well. So definitely check out the specs on our website, ApplianceFactory.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.